Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about the steps section when you're creating and editing a funnel. So this is the steps tab here. We have steps, stats, sales, and settings. So each one serves its own purpose. But in the step section, that's where you actually create your funnel steps. Okay, so obviously you can see big green button says add a new step. If you don't have any steps, we're going to have to start there. We're going to just name this test page. We'll just go ahead and give it a path of test. That's just a URL, but it usually gets overwritten. So this isn't no customers or anyone will see this path generally. And you can always edit this path later when you apply a URL. Okay. Import from ClickFunnels, that's an optional feature. If you have a ClickFunnels page or website or funnel, you can import it with just the URL. So we're going to go ahead and click Create Funnel Step. And voila, we have our new funnel step. Now from here, we have a lot more options, right? So we have this overview tab. We can add products. We can change the URL once we add a URL. So that's not something we're going to go over in this video. We can split test and then obviously start creating this funnel. So we have the option of importing. So if I click import, it gives me the ability to choose a previously created website or funnel step and import it here. So it's a very easy way to duplicate pages for speed if you're trying to create funnel steps very quickly. Or we could just create from a blank page, okay? Now, once you're ready, you can just click this edit button. You can either edit in this same page or open it in a new tab if you wanna keep this page open for organizational purposes. You also have the ability to clone this funnel step or delete it down here. And then, like I said, creating variations for split testing here, okay? Now we are gonna go into detail about all these things in some other videos, like adding products, changing URLs, and these other steps up here, these other tabs up here, which are stats, sales, and settings. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.